Hello and welcome back to my channel Computer and Internet Do's and Don'ts. Today I want to show you one way to get rid of the SSH host key verification error. If you use SSH to log into your remote server, you may have encountered the host key verification failed error. This happens when something has changed on your remote server. For example, you may have reinstalled your operating system on your remote server. When you first use SSH to log into your remote server, a remote key is generated and kept in a folder on your computer. Now whenever you log in again, the key is searched for and compared to the new login. If something has changed on your remote server, you will encounter a remote key doesn't match error and you will not be able to SSH into your site. Fortunately, the message will tell you where the key is stored on your computer. See //users // username /ssh/known_hosts. While there are different ways to get rid of this error message, I found out that the quickest and easiest way was simply to delete the folder on your computer where the key is stored. On my computer the key was stored in C // users / loleb // /known_hosts. So I searched for the folder and deleted it. Once I did that, I was once again able to SSH into my site. Apparently when you delete the keys folder, a new key is generated because the system thinks that you are logging in for the first time. This is the easiest way to get rid of the host key verification failed error. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for more internet related videos.